Milton really got us this time. It's definitely worse than Helene. Let's go check it out. This is just debris and things that have washed up. We've got a lot of other people's, our dock was already gone, so we got a lot of other people's docks and furniture. It's a mess. This one was very violent. You can see there the water line on the shed, and inside things are just crazy. We're trying right now to get things cleared off so we can at least get the trailer in here so we have a place to stay while we're doing cleanup. There's the brand new refrigerator that we got after Helene. I don't know, maybe it'll still work. Didn't even get a chance to put the handles on. As you can see, it's just a mess. Rick's a little unorganized, but he's not this unorganized. We had our e-bikes in there. Hopefully those survived. It's funny what you care about, right? Oh, Rick's saw's in there. Hopefully that's good. Let's check out the house. See, there's fence and docks. Here's somebody's AC pad. Could be our AC pad. Our ACs are definitely toast. So I don't think there's any repairing them this time. The doors were blown out. So everything that was inside is outside. See things here. Things that we were saving from Helene. There was a nice colorful cabinet that we had in the short-term rental. There's one of our kitchen drawers. It came in and destroyed the entire kitchen. There's granite countertops on the ground inside. So as you can see, the water, the garage doors are actually good. The water came in the side door. It blew out the side door and just annihilated the garage. And over here, looks like we've got somebody's dock. The next door neighbor's house. Oh, I'm so sorry. That actually is a part of their dock. As you can see, the air conditioning units are pretty much toast. Looks like we have some fascia and gutter damage. Upstairs is good. Upstairs is perfect. That door, the lock is busted, so it won't open, so we can't get in that door. But this door, the side door here, blew out. And here we go. There's the new washing machine that we got after Helene. This area, this little door blew out. That door was stuck from Helene. It was going to have to be replaced. This area blew out. There is the side door, part of the kitchen cabinets. And then we go into this space. Wow. There's some things. There's the dishwasher. It's part of the granite countertop. Oh, there's all the cabinets you can see are gone. This is definitely toast. Oh, the faucet, kitchen faucet's attached over there with part of the granite countertop. These are the sliding glass doors. Those blew out. That is a large piece of the granite countertop. I don't know if we can save that or if we want to save it. I don't know. Of course, the AC unit is probably not working. We have some things that we can save here. There's a bowl. Lamps up there, doing okay. In the top of the closet. This is the bathroom. It's a mess. The tissue holder made it. Toilet is totally toast. Once the water's out, that's good. We got sand in here. We could have a beach. Wow. Pretty bad. Pretty bad. This door is toast. Go out here. Our dock now, some of the pilings are off, so there's no saving it. Sadly, our neighbors, oh wow, our neighbor's dock, their dock was raised. They had just put in this pool over here. Their fence is completely gone. And their porch, I think, I don't know what this is. I think this is the porch, is here. Wow, it's horrible. Just horrible. The outdoor shower is gone there. Don't know about these cracks. There's some cracks here, cracks around the windows. Those are probably need to be new windows. There's some, but I don't know if that's cracking the stucco or crack. I think we've got some cracks up there by that window. The door frame, of course. We do have some fascia damage up there. Of course, I don't know about the roof. There's a crack there. Don't know if that's stucco. But the inside, this is a block house, so the inside actually looks pretty good. Got some definite damage there on that windowsill. Got to get these doors secured. Got a crack there. Fascia's just out a little bit there. Gutters. AC unit. We have to look on the bright side. We had some people helping us, and as you can see, we did get the garage cleaned out. We still have a mess inside the home. We need to wait for the insurance adjusters and everything to take a look at that and take a look at everything, but at least we are getting some things back in order. So right now, we're kind of at a point to where we're gonna be good to go on our cruise on Monday. I know that sounds crazy, but you know what? We need a break, and we love cruising, and so we're going to do it. We've got some plans in place, and it's a 5-day cruise, so it's not that bad. we won't even have power until Thursday, and we'll be back on Friday. So we're just gonna do it. We're gonna take a pause, take a breather, and we are going to go travel Tuna.